Good day, trader. My name is Xauusd FX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today also we are looking at our weekend trade recap. So it's still same weekend trade recap, where a moment where we look at one of our trade we took during the day and just try to explain why we took the trade, what are the strategy that comes together, what are the components of the trade, what comes together to build up that trade. And today we'll be looking at gold. We'll be looking at the trade we took on Tuesday. Let me open the chart. Okay, this is my Telegram channel. So we'll be looking at this trade we took on Tuesday. This gold trade sell limit we took on today. We're looking at why do we took the trade, what is the strategy, and like what is the confidence I have in this trade, why I give out this particular trade out. Okay, looking at this chart here, this is gold chart, 15-minute chart. Tuesday, that's November 5, 2024. Okay, you can see that the chart is bullish. Here we have bullish market, but I was particularly waiting for the New York section. I was waiting for the New York section so that I can possibly see a trade buy or a trade sell. But based when market entered into the New York sections, market was bullish here. Market was respecting the whole market structures. Market was respecting the whole PDRs. But when market took out this liquidity, that's the previous day high. Market took out the previous day high, and there's a lot of weak in. So when I saw this liquidity being taken out, so I go to my 3-minute chart straight. So I go to my 3-minute chart to look for my entry, to look for if I can see a displacement with a market structure shift. So I've talked about this strategy in my intraday analysis, my intraday strategy, where it talks. Okay, let me draw a little thing so that we can all be on the same page and follow up together. Okay, this is the strategy. Market took out the liquidity on the 15-minute chart. So when market took out the liquidity on the 15-minute chart, so this particular zone here, that market took out the liquidity here, I will transform it to 3-minute chart or 5-minute chart. And what I'm looking for in 5 minutes and 3 minutes is that I am looking for market structure shift. That market should take out any lows, break it. Then I'm looking for a favorable gap. So which means, but the important thing there is what I call displacement. There must be a displacement. There must be a sharp move down to show that market is actually interested in changing the structure. You see, one thing about the strategy is that it is called an intraday strategy because you can use it in any patterns. You can use it in what they call the internal structures. So which means that you are not considering any external structure, you are not considering any external liquidity to be taken out, you are only considering about the internal. So which means that you can trade internal to internal. The normal trading is supposed to be trading on a normal time frame is internal to external, internal structure to an external structure, or internal liquidity to an external liquidity. But when it comes to this strategy, you can actually mount yourself down to internal. So that is what makes this strategy a very classical one. And I'll show you what I mean by internal to internal. So when I saw this market took out the liquidity here, I would drop down to 3-minute charts. So on my 3-minute chart, what I'm looking for is that market took out the liquidity. So what I'm looking for is that market the liquidity that market took out, and market structure shifts from this low. Market should shift that low, break that low, but we should break that low with a lot of displacement here, which means that there must be a sharp move down. And when market give us a sharp move down, then I'll look for my fair value gap there. Then I will be a seller from that particular zone. I'm going to be a seller from that particular zone, and what I'll be aiming for is called an internal liquidity. I'll be looking for any internal liquidity in the range. I am not aiming for any external. I'm only aiming for internal to internal. So which means that I can be on a safer zone, because this is only an intraday strategy. It's just an intraday market maker footstep. So it is only occurring inside the New York Q zone. Anything outside the New York Q zone, it is a no validations. It is a no. So only in the New York Q zone, I'm only looking for this. Only in the New York Q zone, I'm only looking for this pattern. Only in the New York Q zone, I'm only trading internal to internal. So I have a lot of strategy that I use on intraday that you can use for internal to external actually. So let's get into the chart. And so I hope everybody is on the same line movement with me. I hope we are on the same page. The strategy is just SH plus MSS plus fair value gap. Fair value gap is our entry positions, is our entry place when we enter the market. Okay, so this is where market took out the liquidity on the 15-minute chart. That previous day high, you can see that's the previous day high I was talking about. That's when market took out the liquidity. So when we drop to 3-minute charts, we want to see market structure shift with a displacement that I can have a fair value gap and be a seller. So when I come down to 3-minute chart, I saw this displacement here. I saw this whole market movement from up here to this down here. Market took out this low. There was a low that was created, so market took out the low. Then I knew that, oh, this is my strategy. This is what I'm looking for. SH plus MSS plus fair value gap. So the question now is, why are you not taking this fair value gap? Yeah, I know people will be like, why are you not taking this fair value gap? Why are you not taking this? There's a fair value gap here. Why are you not taking it? Okay, particularly myself, I was not looking at this fair value gap here. I was only looking at a fair value gap that is inside the premium zone. So I'm expecting market to retrace to the premium, then for me to be a seller. So I'm not expecting market to retrace to the discount and see. So I'm very expecting market to retrace to the premium based on these structures. The premium, then I will looking for the PDRs, look for the price delivery from the premium zone. Then that's just what and why we use this fair value gap here, because it's inside, is above 50%. This one is not above, this one is above. That's why I use that as our entry protocols on our entry. So the stop loss above here, and as you all know me, 1 to 2 always, just 1 to 2, and that's the whole strategy. That's 70 plus pips. Okay, let me look at it on the Telegram channel. You can see when market enters into it. When we have our okay, so you can see this whole price movement, so sharp, so nice, and that's just the price delivery. It is called an intraday strategy. SH plus MSS plus fair value gap. That's just it. You can use it any on I don't say on any currency pair, because you can use it actually on gold. Just try to look down, just try to look for this, and it always works. It always works. So that's that for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's very important. And share to your friends. Let's grow the community. Let's grow the channel. Let's make it known to the world. And okay, we are looking forward to a more profitable week also. So if you want to join the Telegram channel, link in the descriptions. And so I think that's that for now. And don't forget, Jesus is God. Thank you very much.